Ta-da! Day 2.
Good morning from Castaway Key.
Good morning.
Bright and squirrely.
Mm-hmm.
Getting ready to head down to breakfast, but we're here. We were a little concerned that we were going to have not so great weather, but
Looks
just
beautiful.
Slightly overcast. I see blue skies.
Mm-hmm.
Yay! I
So
love
that's how you know.
Castaway Key. We love Castaway Key. Did you see Juan Carlos's new backpack? Turn around again.
So excited.
As you know, his favorite character is Donald.
Mm-hmm.
We were in a gift shop last night, and bam, we
It
found
was right there.
a Donald backpack. And speaking of the gift shop, we met a cast member last night. So, Dasa, shout out to you.
Hola.
Super, super, super great guy. It was really nice chatting with you. And anyway, we're ready for an amazing, amazing, amazing day on Castaway Key.
Vamos a
But
desayunar.
first, coffee. Very busy here this morning. Trying to find a table was challenging, but Juan Carlos did it.
We just found the most perfect table on a corner. It's a beautiful view and a great breakfast. And Donald,
What's happening?
we are getting ready. Well, we are ready to go to Castaway Key.
We are. We got our little Disney Cruise Line bag. So we're taking a GoPro, so if the audio sounds a little strange, it's because we're working with the GoPro. Figure we do this because we can take it in the water. We can take it. We might go for a bike ride.
And I'm doing
And Juan Carlos, look at his hair. I love
beach
it.
hair.
He's got beach hair. That beach hair, not.
It's my accent. Don't make fun of me.
It's the Sofia Vergara. What kind of hair?
It's beach hair.
Anyway, let's go to Castaway Key. 4 towels. We're off the ship. There she is. It's actually nice. I kind of like that it's a little cloudy, and hopefully today we get a little overcast. Maybe. Daisy, looking sassy in your new outfit. Look at that beach. Looking good.
Fabulous.
I love it. I love
She
it.
always looks great, though.
She knows how to work it. Thank you, Daisy. Thanks for making magic
She is
every
so
day.
sassy that day.
There.
You having a good day? Yes.
Of course, are you?
I'm having a perfect.
So on this cruise, we decided to take advantage, and we pre-purchased before we got on the ship the photo package. So we are taking full advantage here on the Castaway Key, getting our picture taken.
And remember, have fun taking those pictures.
Yeah. Especially if you're with the characters, because they have fun with
They
you.
love interaction.
Yeah, we
Don't
just got our
just stand
picture
there like.
with Daisy having a good time. So we'll insert a few of those photos here.
We got our bikes with one of my favorite colors. This
Yep,
is the
just-
color of my bike at home.
It is, just like at home. All right, we got our bikes. There's like a little sprinkle in the air, but you know what? It's cooling it down. It's a good time for a bike ride here on Castaway Key. Shall we?
Let's have fun.
And a little known fact, we're about to get on what was once an airstrip. So this is actually an airstrip here on the island. And a lot of people don't know that before Disney leased the island from the Bahamas, this island used to be used for some nefarious activities. Yep. Used to be a drug running island. But now, it's just full of happiness and peace and tranquility. riding in the rain.
Dancing in the rain.
It's coming down.
Right.
It's coming down pretty hard.
It's fine. I mean,
It feels good though.
Yeah, we have clothes that, you know,
Yeah, we're wearing our bathing suits and who cares?
ears.
As my dad said, if it rains, go dance in the rain. Go have fun. Right?
Right. Like, when was the last time that you actually did this in the rain? You'll be like, okay with it. Right?
Exactly. And maybe we'll see a rainbow.
Probably will. I'm wearing one.
there it is. To be honest, I'm actually loving riding in the rain.
Yeah, I'm loving it, except that the sunscreen is going down. Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm starting to get a little burny eyes from the sunscreen. But aside from that, I like it.
The last time that I came here, I wanted to get an ice cream, and oh my God, that was hilarious. But maybe next time it will be a little easier.
You can do it.
We have strawberry, banana, vanilla, and chocolate ice cream. I'll get a little of the strawberry and the chocolate. Let's see. Hey, that's right.
How's that wiener?
Yummy.
Good.
Very good.
All right, so we returned our bikes. As you can see, it's still raining. But you know what? Again, we don't care. We made it back over to Serenity Bay where we're having our lunch. Yes, and Juan Carlos has a shirt that says it all.
Una machata. Es como hay que vivir.
So, you know what? If you come to Castaway Key and you're on a Disney cruise and it predicts rain, don't fret. Just go out and get a bike and ride in the rain. Do the 5K in the rain. Run around in the rain. Eat in the rain. Enjoy the rain. It's nature's bounty. Without the rain, we don't have the green. Without the green, we don't have the oxygen. You know, it's all the circle of life. Anyway, nice little meal here at Serenity Bay. We'll see you in a few. Cheers, everyone. Here we are at Serenity Bay. Amor. Ching, ching. So, we have a little tradition, Juan Carlos and I. We always get a pina colada when we go on a cruise. We're not big drinkers, but a little trick from us to you. Get a pina colada and add a shot of peach schnapps or a floater of peach schnapps. Just takes it to a whole new level. Right, Amor?
It does.
It does. So cheers from Serenity Bay. In between showers. But absolutely beautiful. Look how serene it is here at Serenity Bay.
Is the bay?
How serene?
Is the bay.
I feel like I need to whisper. It's so
Okay.
quiet.
Huh?
There's like no waves or anything. It's just
No, yeah, it's very quiet.
super quiet. Peaceful. Mm-hmm. This is why you say work hard, play hard,
We're not playing hard, but
relax hard.
relaxing hard. Yes.
Delicioso.
Rico, muy rico. Salud.
Standing in the water, a little rain here at Serenity Bay. Cheers, everyone, from Serenity Bay at Castaway Key. Yummy, yummy. We're having pina coladas.
Cheers.
Bye.